Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a vegetable pickle. Pickling is a wonderful way to preserve your favorite vegetables, enhancing their flavor and extending their shelf life. We'll explore two primary methods: quick pickling, which is fast and simple, and traditional fermentation, which offers a deeper, more complex flavor profile. Both techniques transform ordinary vegetables into delicious, tangy treats that are perfect for snacking or as a side dish. Let's dive in. For quick pickling, begin by washing and slicing your chosen vegetables, such as cucumbers or carrots. Next, prepare your brine by combining equal parts vinegar and water, along with 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar per cup of liquid. Heat this mixture until the salt and sugar dissolve. Pour the hot brine over your packed vegetables in a clean jar, ensuring they are fully submerged. Refrigerate for at least 24 hours before enjoying your crisp, tangy pickles. Traditional fermented pickles require a bit more patience but yield incredible results. Start by thoroughly cleaning your vegetables and packing them tightly into a sterile jar. Prepare a brine using 2 tablespoons of non-iodized salt for every 4 cups of filtered water. Pour this brine over the vegetables, ensuring they are completely submerged beneath the liquid. Use a weight to keep them down. Ferment at room temperature for 3 to 7 days, or until desired tanginess is achieved. To ensure your pickles are perfect every time, always use the freshest, highest quality vegetables available. Sterilizing your jars and lids is crucial for preventing unwanted bacteria. Quick pickles should be stored in the refrigerator and are best enjoyed within 2 weeks. Fermented pickles, once ready, can last for several months when stored in a cool, dark place or in the refrigerator. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful vegetable pickles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.